Again here, the opportunity exists to completely transform the way we think about mobility. Every kind of vehicle that we are today using for the purpose of achieving mobility, either of goods or of people, can be transformed, disrupted. What is required? We require the embracing and the adaptation of the movement towards alternative fuels, whether they are biofuels or methanol or ethanol or electric vehicles, battery-driven power, hydrogen power, whatever. This is now a crying need. India has the chance to become the #1 player in the automobile industry if the adaptation of this technology, which has begun in a nascent way in almost every major international and domestic manufacturing organization, if that is taken to its full limit, we can see a transformational change and a great potential for growth emerging right here. Again there, the need for automation, robotics, machine learning, making sure that additive manufacturing concepts are put into place, all of that will be critically necessary. Design, as I mentioned earlier, could be generative design, which works through a collaborative AR/VR process. And what that would do is bring into existence at democratized price, affordable price, mobility at the doorstep of India for every place that mobility is required. Let's think about what can be done to construction. If we have to decongest the urban areas, which we already have plans to do, and we want to make sure that the appropriate kind of infrastructure happens in rural areas, then it becomes absolutely mandatory to create what are called mini smart cities across the length and breadth of the country. The plan for this already exists. It's a matter of execution. Bring in the technologies, again, of 3D printing. 3D printed homes is something that is now demonstrated all over the world. There are at least 10 geographies in which this technology is now being put to use. In construction and in the establishment of smart cities around industrial clusters, which are supportive of the MSME that we talked about earlier, this is an idea whose time has come. This is an idea that we need to implement.